Hi, this is Gabe the Gangsta 23 here with a bike check video. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, so basically my bike is a MirraCo Bronson. That's right there. First off, we're going to start with the stem. It's a black label stem. Black bolts, black everything, pretty much on that. Black label bars. I took the sticker off. They're a little bit chewed up right there. ODI grips. ODI right there. It's also banged up. J wire. Brake wire. And just black label brakes. Now first for the tires, we got black label sprocket, or black label hub, black label rims also. We got Odyssey Altican 20 by 2.25 tires. They're called Plute. Black label fork also. Alright, so now we're going to take it to the back of the bike. So basically on the back of the bike we got the same tires, of course. Same back rim. Sprocket, also black label. Or, why do I keep doing that? Hub at the back label. The brakes, black label. White, blue and stuff. Alright. The seats, just a plastic pivotal seat, which will be changed in one of these videos. I'm getting some money. Gonna go ahead and, get some. My pedals are all black label. And I took the things off, except for this one. That one's still on there.
The reflector?
Yeah, the reflector. I don't know why. Black label cranks. Black label
Sprocket.
Pretty much black label on this bike.
Besides the
Grips and
the frame, yeah.
So that's basically my bike check. Also, this is a blue one, the MirraCo Bronson blue. There's black, red, and gold, and for the other one, and this is 2011.
Alright, this is Gabe the Gangsta 23. You can't really see my face, I don't know why. 23, signing off. Oh, please comment, rate, and subscribe.